All right, everyone, here we are with Wkhs, Workhorse Group Inc. And before we get started, I do want to say some things. The first thing I want to say is welcome to all my first-time investors and viewers. Welcome to my channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I hope you guys find this helpful and informative and worthwhile. And if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button by clicking it down below. And also, don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get notified on my daily videos and chart analysis. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support, um, promoting the video by sharing the link with friends in your community, sharing my channel so that they can receive this insight as well. Because the more informed other viewers and other investors are, the better it is for all of us collectively as investors. Because just for example, just to see this rise, if you're a bullish investor, it could attract you to come on in and, participate in this bullish run. And this run slowly just began. And the question is, will it continue? But at least we have points of reference to pay close attention to. So the more people that receive insight and see a chart analysis, it can give them better understanding of whether or not they want to invest. And also that way these videos help people see things they may have overlooked. So I appreciate all the subscribers, their support, and going that way of sharing it, also giving me feedback and commenting and helping other viewers and investors. I really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and jump into this chart. So bulls definitely continued this run. They used this point of resistance as a support per se, but honestly, support wasn't on this candlestick, it was on the next one. So they found a way to break through resistance and used slightly a higher support, which was 1578, to continue this run. Very, very bullish run today. Bulls dominated this, and the question is, will they continue? So here we are to look at the points of reference for tomorrow. All right, let's zoom in and see. There we are. So the highest point this reached today was about 1758. 1758 is significant because that's the true resistance level that the bulls are going to want to break through. But before they get there, they have to break through the more narrowed and focused resistance level and turn it into a support before getting there. But I'd write down 1758 because that is significant on this stock continuing a bullish run and continuing its way up. Another thing too, which I'm going to zoom out and show you guys. The most significant point of it all is 2069, way up here at this point. And the reason why is because that's the highest point this stock reached within the last month. And that will be the main turnaround of how much more bullish this can be. But right now, we are seeing recovery at these points. And even after this point, another significant point is up here closer to $18, which is $17.91. But we're not going to focus on that right now. We'll look at that later. But keep those numbers in mind that we are not done with the bullish run. And the question is, could the bulls continue this run? Right? So right now, the highest point I want you guys to focus on is here at the 1758 mark. And the real resistance level that we want to see and pay close attention to for tomorrow is 1706. If this resistance level is broken through and used as support, does not mean that this can reach up here to 1758, but it could be on its way to newer levels of resistance and break new highs. So 1706 needs to be broken through by the bulls to continue to work their way further away from the 50-day moving average and work their way up to newer resistance levels, right? So this closed out at 1676, and on the other spectrum of it all, the support level is 1656. That's the lowest point after this bullish run and it leveling off throughout the day. If this gets broken through, which is 1656, I'd write that down as well. This support level is significant but there is a large gap between support and the 50-day moving average of 1544. So the bulls are above the 50-day moving average. As long as they stay above that, they're in control. If they break through that and the bears gain control, that means that now we're in bearish territory, anything below it. But the bulls have a large window due to this bullish run and distance between the 50-day moving average and support, that even if this support is broken through, I would not say that the bears are gaining control or winning. The bulls still have a chance to take advantage of the price and bring this back up. But it is significant and important to keep in mind that if this support does get broken through of 1656, to keep a close eye on the chart and on the stock itself. Depending on what your positions are or how much you're holding, it's really good to keep an eye on it. It could be another point of entry that you will look at as attractive price, or it could be a point where you can start considering if you're gonna, you know, stop your losses or take your profits, because you could be down here or averaging down or whatever it is you're trying to do. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but whatever position that you're in, long term, short term, if this support gets broken through, I'd keep an eye on it and see how it reacts. I mean, is it going to break through it and fall hard fairly quickly, as quick as this went up within one day? Or does it fall a little bit below it and the bulls reappear and bring this one back up? So there's a lot of things to pay close attention to, especially with such a large gap between the 50-day moving average, which is 1544, and the support 1656. We'll have to see how this one plays out tomorrow. We'll have to see if the bulls continue the momentum, use this point right here to do the staircase effect and work their way in an upward direction. But for now, just have those points of reference. They should be able to help so that you guys can make your own rational decisions tomorrow as investors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys find it helpful and informative. Share it with your friends and community. Don't forget to hit the like button and let me know you watched this video. And if you found this worthwhile and you're a first-time viewer, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell. Thank you so much, and let's make some money.